Hello everyone, my name is John Swarup. Today we shall learn how to describe a diagram. A diagram is a symbolic representation of information using visualization techniques. So we can interpret a diagram in simple terms. We can say describing a diagram. There are mainly three steps to describe a diagram. Number one, introduction. Number two, main body of text. Number three, summary or conclusion. In the first part, introduction, first pay attention to the title of the diagram. This will tell you what the diagram shows. Then write the purpose of the diagram. Coming to part 2, main body of text, examine the diagram, pay close attention to the diagram, the main parts of the diagram, the relationship between these parts. Next, then any further explanation. All these should be in a sequence. In the last part, summary, you need to deal with pros and cons, advantages and disadvantages, facts, inferences, what could be done, what is the ground reality. By this, we can conclude. You can apply your own brain, but you need to talk with the facts only which was shown in the diagram. Let us observe this question based on diagram. The question is, the pie chart below illustrates how internet users aged 16 plus prefer to access the internet at home and in other places. Summarize the information in the pie chart by selecting and reporting the main features. If you pay attention to the title of the diagram, you can write the first paragraph introduction like this. This graph shows the results of a survey in which people aged 16 and over were asked about their preferred devices for accessing the internet. The question referred to going online at home and in other places. Participants mentioned 4 main devices in their answers: a smartphone, a laptop, a tablet, and a desktop computer. Coming to the second paragraph, that is main body of text, we need to examine the diagram carefully. We need to pay close attention to the main parts and sub parts of the diagram. The relationship between these parts, if there are any further explanation, we need to address those. All should be in a sequence. Second paragraph. From the pie chart, it is clear that the majority participants prefer to use smartphones and laptops, with just 3% difference between the two. Nearly a third of participants prefer to go online with a smartphone. 30% like to use laptop. A desktop computer accounts for 14% of users' preferred devices. Only a small minority prefer a device other than these main 4. Coming to the last paragraph, conclusion. Since mobile and portable devices are the most popular choices, It is clear that many participants are accessing the internet outside their homes. The desktop computer is the least popular of the four main devices. In future, we can probably expect to see more and more people accessing the internet with smartphones as their preferred choice. Like this, you need to write in 3 paragraphs in about 150 words to score good marks. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and don't forget to comment. Thank you.